our discussion of this, right? Teaching block के बारे में हमने बात कर ली थी. Now let us see about the labs. Okay. यहाँ पे labs हैं. There should be at least 6 labs. Nursing Foundation lab, Community Health Nursing lab, Nutrition lab separately also certain institutes keep it, Advanced Nursing Skill lab, Computer lab, then OBG, MCH lab कर दिया है इसको, OBG and Pediatrics मिला के, then Preclinical Science lab, this is also there, Preclinical Science lab, then Multi-purpose hall. It can be utilized for hosting functions of the college, conferences, continuing nursing educations, then examinations that are there. Then this should have a proper stage with green room facility. It should be well ventilated and have proper lighting system. Okay, these things should be there and proper advanced audio visual aids. Library literacy, library, there should be separate library in the school. It should be easily accessible to the teaching faculty and the students. It should have comfortable seating arrangements for half of the total strength of the students and teachers in the school. And a separate budget has to be there for library. What does it mean? आपको जो repeatedly जो new books और journals वगैरह मंगाने हैं, so that time the separate budget helps a lot. Okay. Then proper lighting facility and it should be well ventilated. The librarian should have a separate cabin. Then intercom phone facilities should be there. There should be sufficient number of cupboards, books, shelves, racks with glass doors for proper and safe storage of books, magazines, journals, newspaper and other literature. Then there should be provision for catalog cabinets, book display, rack, bulletin boards and stationery items like index cards, borrower cards. Then current book magazines, journals, newspapers and other literature should be available in the library. Okay. Minimum of 500 single titled nursing books on new editions in the multiple of the 3 kinds of nursing journals, 3 kinds of magazines, 2 kinds of newspapers and other kind of current health related literature. यहाँ का मतलब क्या है, ये देखो, ये पॉइंट का मतलब आप याद रखो. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने सपोज टॉर्टोरा मंगा लिया, वही बहुत सारा मंगा लिया, ऐसा नहीं है. अलग अलग बुक 500 अलग अलग टाइटल्स के होने चाहिए. ठीक है. Office requirements, let us see. Office requirements includes principal's office. There should be a separate office for the principal with attached toilet and provision for visitors room. Independent telephone facility is a must for the principal's office with intercom facility connected, linked to the hospital and hostel. Then office for vice principal. There should be a separate office for the vice principal with attached toilet and provision for visitors room. Independent telephone facility is a must for vice principal's office with intercom facility connected, linked to the hospital and hostel. Faculty room, there should be adequate number of office rooms in proportion to the number of teaching faculty. Then hand washing facilities, there should be separate toilet for male teachers, all that has to be taken care of. Then staff room, one separate office room for the office staff should be provided. Then adequate toilet facility. This office should be spacious enough to accommodate. Then each office room should be adequately furnished with items like tables, chairs, cupboards, built-in racks and shelves, filing cabinets and bookcases. Also, there has to be provision for typewriters, computers, okay, and telephone. Then let us see common room. Common room में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? Common room, a minimum of 3 common rooms. Okay, minimum of 3 common rooms have to be there, and then one of the teaching faculty, one for the student and one for the office staff. You may be thinking, what do they do with the common room? Right, this as actually adequate seating arrangement रहता है वहाँ पे. Then they are able to sit and have their food, right? फिर जो outside से आते हैं उनके लिए फिर built in shelves रहता है. Then lockers, cabinets, racks, ये सब किस लिए है? When they are coming from out, they are getting facility to keep their things. आगे also has to be there. ठीक है. ऑडियो विजुअल रूम में क्या है? ऑडियो विजुअल रूम should be proper and safe storage. Okay. The school should possess all kinds of basic as well as advanced training aids like chalkboards, overhead projectors, slide and film strip projectors, models, specimens, charts and posters. ये सब होना चाहिए. TV and VCR photostat machine, tape recorder and computers. ठीक है. लेटेस्ट जो भी है वो फैसिलिटीज वहाँ पर होना चाहिए. It should be provided to accommodate the equipments and other inventory articles that are required in the lab. That is one thing. The room should facilitate for proper safe storage of these articles like cupboard, built-in shelf, racks, cabinets, furnitures. Room has to be properly lighted and well ventilated. ठीक है. So अब ये जो आप version देख रहे हो, please remember I am not giving a story out from my side. It is the norms given by Indian Nursing Council. So if somebody comes to inspect your college, or if you in future go as inspectors, please see that these things are there. ठीक है. Audio visual room. I have gone as inspectors. I've seen they just make a makeshift room. It's not right. नाम के वास्ते आप एक audio visual room बना रहे हो, वहाँ पे एक rack लग के रख दिया. It's not that. We want a proper place where all these things are stored. There are records of when it was issued, who is using it, with presently online classes you may not require, but then when we will be in a normal classes we will require models and all these things will require, so it has to be proper. फिर और क्या है, अदर फैसिलिटीज भी देख लेते हैं. सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एंड एडिक्वेट सैनिटरी टॉयलेट फैसिलिटीज शुड बी अवेलेबल फॉर बोथ men and women separately in the school. Then toilet facilities, students should be in the ratio of 1:25. Students is to be made available for students along with hand washing facility. There should be a separate toilet for men. तो ये भी आप देखोगे कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उस हिसाब से कितने टॉयलेट से रेशियो बिठाओ, क्योंकि ये सब आपको फॉर्म में फिल करना होगा. ठीक है, either you prepare a file for inspection or you go for inspection, both places you have to make sure that you have to enter all these details. अब मैं inspection की केवल बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. think of the comfort level, it will be there that if students have to wait in a queue, है ना, आप दे रहे हो 5 मिनट की break, and when the students move out from the classes, when they go to the washrooms, then what do they find? They find that there is a big queue, so that should not happen. Okay, ratio has to be maintained. Fine. Then garage should accommodate a 50-seater vehicle. Next is fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher होना चाहिए. Then adequate provision for extinguishing fire should be available as per the local bylaws. ठीक है. Another tip I want to give you, you go as inspector, please check the expiry dates also. Wonderfully they may just change the labels and keep. You have to even check the documents whether really it has been replenished or not, because everything is not a mazak na. A college of nursing is being run, you have your nutrition labs there, you have other things also. So क्या होगा, तो फिर उसमें फिर अगर फायर है और उस टाइम पे आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो तो फिर पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. तो ethically also it is not correct, and you as inspector you have to confirm that they are following all the safety norms. Playground should be spacious for outdoor sports, volleyball, football, badminton and for athletics. ठीक है, तो we'll stop here. हॉस्टल ब्लॉक हमने थोड़ा डिस्कस किया था, हम नेक्स्ट जो डिस्कशन में हॉस्टल ब्लॉक के बारे में भी देखेंगे. ठीक है.